Welcome to TL Store. Today we'd like to introduce you to our new range of plastic paving molds. We have them in all different sizes and shapes, starting from as little as 45 Rand, which is for the plastic interlocking paving mold. We also have another variety. We've got your hexagon molds, for instance, your 3D arrow mold, also available. We not only have paving molds for the floor, we have paving molds that you can use for other things. For instance, your average mold, your windowsill mold, which is self-explanatory. This mold here you use to make your windowsills. The plastic paving molds give you a smooth finish. So with this plastic interlocking paving mold, you will get a finish like this. For your last finish, we have an interlocking paving mold. This one is a manual one, using 4 rough pavings at a time. Should you be looking for a bigger machine, we do have the 8-drop paving mold, which comes in electric. Anyway, back to our plastic molds, we have a variety of them available. For instance, this one, which is a hexagon mold, and another variety of other molds. Now, should you be looking to see the type of molds that we have, we are available on Facebook, we are available on Instagram, we are available on YouTube, and on TikTok. Should you not see what you're looking for, visit our website www.tlstore.co.za.